Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a simple form, any form, application form, contact form in WordPress. When you are creating your blog or your website and you want to create any form inside, we are going to use a simple plugin called Visual Form Builder. Now go to your plugin section in your dashboard here and click Add New Plugin. When the page opens, you type and you search for the plugin called Visual Form Builder. I've already installed the plugin, so I'll just show you the Visual Form Builder. This is it. It's written by Matthew Moreau. So you just click on the install and activate it onto your WordPress dashboard. I've already installed it. So after you do the installation, it shows up here at the left section of your dashboard. Now you click on it like this and you click on the settings. On the setting, you will see you don't have to make any changes here. You leave it intact like this. But if you want to create a form that has an upload field set, you can increase the upload section so that people can upload to a certain limit. So you can increase it to any megabyte that you want and you save it. Now after saving, you start by creating your form. So on the same visual form, you click add new form. You click add new form, then you give a name to the form. Let's say we have school form, school application. We are going to create a school application form. So we give it a name and you give a name of your school or any description that you can input into the section here. Then your reply email, where you want the email of your form to be replied to. So you enter your email. Then you can give the email subject, or let's say school application form entries or something, any subject that you want. Then who to send the submitted data to. You can also add the email. You can add the email, the same email here as the one here, so that when entries are made on your website, the entries will come directly to your email. Then after that, you click on the create form. So now the form field set section opens for you. We are just going to create simple forms here. So let's say we have a text. You click on the field set here, is pop up here. Then you can click on the arrow here and name it. Let's say we want to users to fill entries like your name. So we give it your name. After you enter, you save it. Then we can also enter something like another field set here. We can add something like telephone number. So any entries that you want it to display on the form, you can be entering them, and as you enter them, it saves. Then we can also use the checkbox to enter some entries. We can give it let's say choose or select subject, select preferred subjects. Okay, then you have the option here. The option 1, you can give it mass. Option 2, English. Option 3, history. You can add more options. So when you click the add more options, it pops computer science. So let's say we want to, for the purpose of this training, let's add only 4 options here. After that, we save it. Then you can add something like an email section here. Then you have also the email is, you can write your email, or you leave it like that as email. Then you can choose to validate whether the email section should be required or not, but we have to set it to yes, so that people are required to enter the email. If they don't enter the email, the form cannot be sent, because we need the application to send their email entry so that we can also reply to them. So you save it, and also you can add, there are various field sets here. You can add text area where users who are filling the form can enter. You can give it your message. You save it like this. Then let's add one last field set. Okay, let's add the date field set. Click the arrow section here. We can give it a label like, when do you intend to start the course? We give it a label like this. So we save it. So when the user comes on the form, you're required to select the date that he or she intends to start the course. Now let's add our last field set here, the file upload. Now the file upload, we can ask users to upload their transcript or anything. Please upload certificate or transcript. Please upload certificate or transcript as our label. You can give any label that you wish for that, depending on the particular form you are creating. Now watch and listen very carefully to this section, the accepted file extensions. Now here we have currently the PNG, the JPEG, and the GIF. So these are only the file extension that will be accepted when a user uploads a file through your application tree. But let's say a user wants to upload a file that is PDF. There's no PDF here, so the form will not allow it to upload. So what we can do is now copy from the bar section here, right click and copy, and click after the F here and paste it. So when you paste it, we are going to add another extension. So you just use the backspace to clean the GIF and write PDF. So we've created another extension. So if a user is uploading a file that is a PDF file, it will accept it. If you don't add the PDF file, the form entry will not allow you to upload a PDF file. It will only allow you to upload a PNG, a JPEG file, or a GIF file. So let's also assume a user wants to upload a document file, Word file. So you add a doc file extension. So let's paste one here, clean, and write DOCX, document extension file. So it will allow the user to upload a document in Word file. You can add more extensions like Word, even text file. Let's add one last extension like a text txt file. If a user is uploading a file that is in Notepad, you can add more extensions here. Then after this is very important, that accepted power extensions. Please pay attention to it and do the configuration as it is here. So after that, you just save your work. We are done with that. We save it like this. So after we save it here, we are going to also do some small configuration here in the form section, in the form settings. So let's go to the form setting. We have the email. You click the arrow here. It says school application entries. So this, you've already done it. We minimize the arrow. You come to the confirmation. Now the confirmation, you can give any message that you want the user to see after they submit their form or the application on the website. So here we have a default message here. Your form was successfully submitted. Thank you for contacting us. You can add something like, our team will get back to you very soon. You can frame and add any inscriptions that you want. So after that, you minimize it and we go to the notification section here. You can choose to send confirmation email to the user who is filling the form, or you can choose to leave it empty like that. So we just, after that, we save it, but we will leave it empty, so we just save it. We just save our form settings like this. Then I think we are done with the form setting. So after the form setting is done, we come to the filter here. We give it, we change the name of this label to school registration application system. So we are done. You can give it any label that you wish for it to be on your form. Then finally you save your form. So we are done creating this form. After you finish creating the form, just scroll down to the page a little here. Your form shortcode will be created here. There are two options where you can insert your form onto your page or your post. You can copy this shortcode here like this, copy it. Then we go to create a page where we want our form to be. So we'll create a page. We click add new page. We are going to create a page where we want our form to be on the website, so users can fill the entries when they come onto our website or our blog post. Now we give it a title of the page. We say application. You can give it any title, or simply let's apply. Now on the description section here, the shortcode of the form you have copied, right click inside and paste it. That is all. You are done. Publish our form. So we just click on publish form. We click on publish form. That we wait for the publishing to complete. The page is loading, so we wait for. So now the form is complete. Now after complete, we can see the form link here. We can view the page to see how the form is being displayed on our browser section here. So now we have the form, nicely created form here, our school registration application system. So this is what a user will see on your website or your blog, and they can fill it easily and submit the application. So we have something like your name. Let's do a sample entry here of 0, 1, 2, I give us a little sample of a telephone number. Now select preferred subject. You can select the subject. I enter my email. Then message and when do you want to intend to start this call? You click inside, the date pops up like this, so you can select your month. Let's say July 30th, any date you want. Now this is the upload section. Because we added all the accepted file extension, we can click to upload any Word file. We can upload any notepad, anything. We can upload any file that we want, document file, PDF file, so we can upload them onto. Let me just take something like a picture, or let me upload any file that I can have on here. Let me upload any file, let's say a document file or anything. Let me upload this file here. Now after uploading, you click submit your form entry. When you click the submit, the message of notification will be displayed on the screen. Now it says your form was successfully submitted. Thank you for contacting us. Our team will get back to you soon. Now we are done. We've created our form. This is a quick tutorial on how to create any form. You can create application form, any entry form, registration form, school form, any form you want users to be able to apply it on your website. Now, after creating the form, one may ask, where is the form kept? Where is the entry? The forms are now kept in your Visual Form Builder entries, so you can have it directly is saved onto your WordPress system. A copy of the form will be submitted to you, the email that you entered where you wanted to receive the entry. So a copy will be sent to you, so you know that a user has applied, and you can respond to them by replying to them. Now we have the school form here that we created. So now you can click here to view it. You can view the form. This is what we entered. So copies are also kept on your WordPress system for you. Now you can also, there's a way you can also export your forms entries. So on the form Visual Form Builder here, you have the export section where you can export your form to a CSV file. So you can export it there, you can download it using this Visual Form plugin is a free version, but when you want the pro version to use, you can also export your form to other formats, let's say in Excel and or in TXT, but that one you have to be a pro version user. But for the meantime, just use the free version, create any form, and you are done with it. You'll be having nice looking application form on your website where users can submit entries and users can enter their entries and submit it to you. So that is the form we created. Thank you for watching this tutorial and have a wonderful day. If you have any question, you can leave it in on the video and I will respond to you.